Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel MathX World. Students, today we will learn how to find square root. We have to find square root of 21609. So first step is we have to make pairs from right to left like this. So we will start with 1. 1 ones are 1 माइनस करेंगे हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1. नेक्स्ट पेयर है हमारे पास 16. इसको हम नीचे ले आएंगे. यहाँ पे करेंगे हम 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. Now we will take a number 4. 24 4s are 96. माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 20. नेक्स्ट पेयर है हमारे पास 09. इसको भी हम नीचे उतार लेंगे. यहाँ पे हम करेंगे 24 plus 4 which is equal to 28. Now we will take a number 7. 287 7s are 2009. So ये completely solve हो गया है. So square root of 21609 is 147. Hopefully you like this video. If really did, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.